Natural gas last week has finally achieved higher highs towards 1.94. Remember, we were bullish on net gas last week as well, before closing the week at a critical support at 1.86 and the 20 period moving average. Now, can we expect this as a reversal sign for gas? Can we expect that in the month of March, net gas is going to fly high? Or we can see a reversal from the current levels as the retracement is done and it is going to fall or crash again. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week and in the month of March? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get twice a day updates for natural gas. First targets I share with the Asia and Europe session, and next with the major news events and the US session. So two updates a day. Thus press the bell icon, like, share and comment. It's a great motivation. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and do join the YouTube channel memberships and support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so watch till the end. Now, first look at the daily charts. After the drop here, it is under the retracement journey. When you say a retracement journey, you should look at a reversal sign. You should also look at the higher lows which it is providing, and we should look at higher highs. Where are the highs now? 2.05, 2.1 zone, which is going to be a good resistance zone for the coming week and for the month, because beyond this we can see, or rather let me include 2.2 as well. So this zone between 2 and 2.2 is going to be the critical resistance for net gas in the coming week and for the month of March. Now also one must look at the formation here. You should notice what it is doing: rise, retracement towards 20 period, or the bottom of the channel, rise, retracement towards the bottom of the channel. Where is the bottom of the channel? 1.8. Where is the median of the Bollinger Bands? 1.76. Thus, as long as in the month of March gas stays above 1.8, 1.76, we should not be treating this as bearish. Specifically for the coming week, we should not be treating this as bearish as long as 1.8, 1.76 levels are respected. Now see what has happened here. Two bullish candles, bullishness got diminished, reversal sign, and first bearish candle. And it is clearly seen taking support from the 20 period moving average. So thus a selling entry in the coming week is only below 1.84, below which 1.81, 1.8 is first support and 1.76 is going to be the next targets if it tries to move downwards from the current levels. Now look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Too much of divergence here. Possibility for it to converge towards 2.1, 2.2 zone exists. But where to buy? I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 1.92 here in the coming week. You can stay bullish. We can look forward to 1.98 and $2 levels, and beyond that, sky is the limit. So that is the first observation. The stochastic on the daily charts has hit a high and it is trying to look downwards. The MACD. Now this I have shown on my daily updates as well. Look at MACD and in my previous week update as well. Look at double bottom. It is forming a W here, and this could lead to a straight rise towards the high here. It is willing to form a W. Thus, more bullish momentum can be expected in net gas in the coming month. And that is why I say specifically 1.76 in the coming week, if it respects, possibly we should consider that net gas is still staying strong. RSI coming out of the oversold is now looking upwards. Coming to weekly, look at the weekly charts. Reversal sign at the end of the trend suggests bullishness, and that is what has happened. Gas has started the week on a bullish note. It has given a gap up and it can continue to stay bullish in the coming week. Increasing body size also suggests increasing bullishness. Divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average suggests that it may try to converge. Where is the 20 period moving average? 2.4, 2.6 is the median, and then $3 levels is the 50 period. If you look at the movement here, you will find the drop, retracement, the drop, then in between as well, we have seen a little retracement here, then a drop, and it could retrace again. Now, if you just connect this dot, if you just connect this, you will find that in the near term, when I say next few weeks or for the month of March and April as well, if you see net gas not breaking above $3 levels, we should not be treating this as reversal. It is under retracement. It can try to move towards 2.4, 2.5 at best. Stochastic oversold, double bottom is formed, trying to recover here. MACD, now this is important because see MACD here, after the drop it is retest. Again, this is the major trend. If this is the major trend, it will cross over here and continue on the upward path. So we have to wait for a couple of candles more for it to cross over and lead to the rally. RSI hitting the bottom, trying to rise again. Coming to monthly chart, look at monthly charts. Moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence, trading bearish here. If you look at the monthly charts, drop, retracement towards the moving averages, drop, and it could again retrace towards the moving averages. That is what it appears. Also on the monthly charts, you can look at it is trying to trade in this channel here. Now one must notice preceding two candles for net gas. First it started to rise, there was a downward push, it closed at bottom. Next it started with the drop, it continued bearish and it is closed at the median. Now that is why 2.2 levels are important, because once it breaks this median here, it is going to rise further towards 2.5, 2.4 as the first target, and then in fact 2.8, 2.3 in the coming few candles, coming few months. Stochastic has hit an oversold levels. A recovery from here can be expected. MACD. Now look at MACD. Interestingly, MACD on the monthly charts have seen a sharp decline. Though it is not that it has hit a bottom, it can continue to hit further lows, but in my expectation, it should try to converge, which will suggest bullishness. But right now, it is not showing any such signs. RSI has hit a bottom. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, look at the movement here. See, moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. If you look at the movement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and it is still staying in this bullish channel. Thus, it is very important for first net gas to break below 1.84, then 1.8, two support levels, and then 1.76. If these three support levels are taken, you can say now gas is turning. Also on the 4-hour charts, it is forming a nice flag formation here, and a reversal here means a breakout above 1.92 and 1.95 zone is where we can say now gas is turning bullish. A gap up opening will also lead to a breakout. Stochastic looking downwards. Look at MACD. This is trading with divergence and bearishness, suggests that it could, but remember it has still not much of a scope on the upside. However, right now it appears trading bearish for last few candles. RSI has dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies such that you can trade profitably, trade comfortably in the coming week. Before I provide you the trading levels and strategy for the month of March and for coming week, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting 4th of March. Couple of seats are still available. Equip yourself with the tools and strategies which can help you trade profitably, and the trade setups which can help you identify profitable trade. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. For your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. The details are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, if you, those who have asked me to recommend a broker which is trustworthy, safe, secure, with availability across the globe and with easy transfers and withdrawals, and which offers a swap-free account with the least spreads. The broker in which I trade is shared in the channel and video description. You can also join and enjoy the benefit. And do visit my platform www.forexfonda.com for all the markets related information, all the mentorship details. Now, first, let's talk about the levels. Now, yes, you can buy here at 1.89 levels, but then we have to wait for 1.925 to be breached, first resistance, and then 1.955. If these two levels are taken, then you should treat that gas is turning bullish. If it stays above this, I will look forward to 2.018, and then beyond this 2.06, 2.1, and then 2.15, 2.2, and these levels will remain applicable for the month of March as well and for the coming week as well. Remember, if it can drop sharp, it can rise sharply as well, and hence yes, 10% in a day hardly matters for gas coming in from the lower base. Yes, so beyond 2.2 is where more bullish momentum may prevail. I will look forward to 2.4, 2.4 as the next targets, and in fact it can try to move towards 2.5 plus levels. So remember these levels, as and how it breaks beyond these levels, certainly the bullishness is going to increase in gas, and every retracement will be an opportunity for you to buy if it stays above 2.1, 2.2 zone. Yes, you can say every retracement will be an opportunity for you to buy. Be careful at around 2.1, 2.2 zone if it continues to rise. On the down, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 1.84 levels, but then we have to be cautious here at 1.81, and then below 1.81, 1.76. If these levels are taken on the downside, specifically below 1.76 is where the bearishness will be seen. I will look forward to 1.72 and 1.7 as the next milestone. If and only if gas is seen trading below 1.7, we can say it is turning bearish, it is giving a breakout, and I will look forward to 1.61 and lower levels. Chances for a drop below 1.6 appears to be less, but these are markets you have to be careful. Below 1.61 we can look forward to 1.55, 1.5 levels, chances for which appears to be again very less. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the mentorship batch, webinar series, signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.